The 4 by 400 metre relay final. Great Britain in lane 1, Holland lane 2, West Germany lane 3, lane 4 France, lane 5 Russia, lane 6 East Germany, lane 7 Finland, and lane 8 Sweden. Glenn went off very fast to qualify last night over the first 200 metres and rather blew it in the straight, left the others a lot to do, but he's not gone off so quickly this time. The Swedes have gone very quickly on the outside. Remember, the stagger doesn't unwind until the first 110 metres of the second leg. So that's over 500 metres to be run in lanes, and Cohen's closed right up on the Dutchman for Great Britain. He's got to keep the other three in touch, especially David Jenkins on the last leg. The Swedes right on the outside. The Finns are right up there, and it looks as if Cohen's had a reasonable first leg. They're all looking a bit tired. The West Germans are struggling very badly indeed, the favourites, and Bill Hartley takes over now for Great Britain. Hartley on the inside, and the time for Cohen there, 46.6, which, if that's right, is one of his best runs. It's Hartley on the inside. The Russians are right up there as well. So too are Finland. East Germany there. And this is close. And Bill Hartley's really stormed as they break. He's trying to get the curve, but he's going to get blocked. And they've come right across him. The French up there. So too the Finns. Hartley battling to hold the curve. Push for speed, but he's keeping Pascoe and Jenkins in touch. Still the French in front, the Finns in second place. Great Britain third with Hartley stealing up at the inside. Russia third now. Sweden attacking as well. So too are East Germany. West Germany are closing. So it's all going to be on the last two legs. And they're searching for the takeover. Pascoe got blocked and shoved, but he held himself, and the West Germans cut him now. And the Russians dropped right out of it. He's fallen on the track. And so Finland lead, France second, West Germany third, Pascoe for Great Britain 4, Sweden 5, East Germany 6, and Holland 7. They're all still in with a chance. The East Germans closing right out, and Pascoe's had trouble struggling. The Swedes on the ground, he's out of it, and Pascoe in fourth place hasn't been affected. The Finn is dying, the blonde Finn, he's lost his place. Still the French out in front. In second place now, Finland. Third, West Germany, and Pascoe closing on the Germans. But the French are clear. So into the last leg. France versus Finland. Great Britain third with David Jenkins. Another boxing match in front of the Finn and the Frenchman clash. Clash, and they're booing and they're whistling. And Jenkins has got a lot to do. It's Finland in front. France in second place. Great Britain third. And Jenkins closing all the time. West Germany fourth, but they can't do anything about it. And 200 metres left, and Jenkins goes to try and take the silver medal. And closing now on the Finn. Jenkins will have to sit and wait and conserve himself. And Hobbs of Germany is coming. Hobbs the gold medalist. Jenkins the silver medalist in the individual. And here comes Hobbs of West Germany. Jenkins driving at a tape, and they won't catch him. Surely, gold for Britain, silver for Germany, and the bronze for Finland. Jenkins, the greatest run of his life. Jenkins, who really has been under a cloud since he won